Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, function getSecondLargestDigit. Hashtag include istdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output header file, which contains functions like printf and scanf. Int getSecondLargestDigit, int n. This line defines the function getSecondLargestDigit that takes an integer n as input and returns an integer. Int firstmax equals -1, initializes the variable firstmax to -1, which will be used to store the largest digit. Int secondmax equals -1, initializes the variable secondmax to -1, which will be used to store the second largest digit. While n greater than 0 starts a while loop that continues as long as the value of n is greater than 0. Int digit equals n%10, extracts the last digit of the number n using the modulo operator % and assigns it to the variable digit. If digit firstmax checks if the current digit is greater than the current firstmax. Secondmax equals firstmax, updates secondmax with the value of firstmax. Firstmax equals digit, updates firstmax with the current digit. Else if digit a firstmax and n digit secondmax, checks if the current digit is smaller than firstmax and greater than secondmax. Secondmax equals digit, updates secondmax with the current digit. n/=10, removes the last digit from n by performing integer division by 10. Ends the while loop. Return secondmax, returns the second largest digit stored in the variable secondmax. Ends the getSecondLargestDigit function. Int main starts the main function. Int n declares an integer variable n to store user input. Scanf, %d, and n reads an integer from the user and stores it in the variable n. Printf, second largest digit, %d, getSecondLargestDigit, n, calls the getSecondLargestDigit function with the input n and prints the result. Return 0 indicates that the program executed successfully. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.